Make $500 for watching YouTube videos. If you are one of those who have always wondered whether it's possible to earn money by watching videos, whether on YouTube or TV, then this very comprehensive and helpful video is for you. As for getting paid for watching videos on YouTube or even on TV, it's a thing that many are using to earn money online these days. A lot of people and brands use YouTube to showcase their products and services. They create channels for their products or services by uploading videos, which may include content that instructs, entertains, or educates viewers. If you are a regular viewer with YouTube, there are real opportunities for you to make good money by just watching videos. Before discussing the topic more with you guys, we want you to subscribe to the channel so you will be able to receive updates from our side. Paid to YouTube. This is one of the most popular websites where YouTube watchers can make money. If you want to make money doing what you already are doing, watching YouTube videos with your phone or laptop, then paid to YouTube might just be the right place to sign up. The payout for watching a video is 5 cents. That's not much and certainly won't make you rich, but it can add up if done consistently. If you want more, you can still perform other tasks like commenting on videos, rating videos, and doing referrals. These extra tasks can help you earn more than you would from just watching the videos. If you are just scrolling random content and want to do something more, then we recommend you trying this great website. A lot of people are already making much, so be one of them and get paid. Swagbucks. This is one of the oldest and most reputable sites that really pay those who watch videos through them. They pay you just for watching different videos, ranging from sports videos, world news videos, and many more. You can even get paid through them just for watching sponsored videos. Of course, they also pay when you perform other activities like taking surveys, surfing the web, and believe it or not, just for shopping online. Swagbucks has paid their members over $275 million in cash and free gift cards over the years. Yes, that's a staggering $275 million. That's too much money to not take them seriously, wouldn't you say? Apart from just watching videos, they also reward you for other activities such as shopping online, answering online surveys, checking out offers, searching the web, playing games online or on your phone, and using their mobile app. MyPoints. This is another reputable survey website that pays for watching videos. With MyPoints, you get paid to watch certain videos, earn points, then redeem your points for gift cards when necessary. You can earn as many as 500 points every single day just watching videos. And yes, you can choose to watch only fun videos, not boring nor annoying videos. Apart from getting paid to watch videos with MyPoints, you can also get paid to shop, play games, and even read emails. They have been in operation since 1996. That's usually a good indication of how trustworthy they are. If you think that you will be a millionaire overnight using these websites, then you are wrong. Actually, it takes a bit more time to make money using these websites. And the most important thing, you are not gonna be able to fulfill your dreams. However, these sites are good if you are just scrolling through the internet. Perk. This is the best site to consider when it comes to getting paid for watching short videos. Yes, you don't have to watch long or boring videos with Perk. You earn points from watching short videos and can convert your points down the road for gift cards of your choice, merchandise of your choice, and of course, into cash. Below are some of the things you can do with Perk to earn Perk points. Shopping while online. Answering some pop quizzes if or when you can. searching the web using Perk if or when you want to, downloading new apps to try them out, watching some popular videos if or when you want to, watching movies and even app trailers if and when you want to. Yes, with this, you can play quiz and earn money. As of the time of writing this, Perk has paid out rewards of over $51 million. Yes, that's a staggering $51 million and counting. You can be one of those getting paid for watching your favorite TV shows with Perk. Get paid to watch TV shows on Netflix. As far as watching TV is concerned nowadays, it's impossible not to mention Netflix, right? They are the number one favorite for most people who love watching TV shows, movies, and more. And yes, believe it or not, you can get paid just to watch TV programs on Netflix. You see, Netflix occasionally hires people like you to do the job of watching and tagging some of their programming. Officially, the title of these people are editorial analysts or creative analysts, also called taggers. People who get hired for such jobs help provide more precise recommendations to other Netflix subscribers. It's one of the dream jobs for stay-at-home moms for sure, watching the programs they love and getting paid for it. The job of these special editorial analysts, creative analysts, or taggers involves watching lots of content on Netflix, then tagging each of the films and episode with a particular relevant metadata. Tagging the metadata helps make it more search-friendly for people to find the shows and programs they want to watch on Netflix. With this job, you enjoy the TV shows and get paid to better tag them to help others. This was it, folks, for today's video. We hope you are enjoying these videos and also make sure you are subscribed because we are gonna upload a lot of content related to making money online. So what are you waiting for? Come on, do it! Goodbye for now, guys, and see you in the next one. Cheers!